morning, so I start my day by sitting with myself for a while, then taking blessings of my God. So then I follow my routine, that's simple brushing and washing my face, making my bed, and then I directly head to my study. So the first thing I do is plan my entire day. I make a to-do list, then make time frames just to give a direction to my day. Isn't it calm? Well, this is the reason why I wake up early. So while I started with my lecture, let's discuss why I love waking up so early. Well, mainly because it's so calm in the morning, the weather is good, and most importantly, finishing the lectures in the morning gives a good start to my day and puts me on track. So even at times when I wake up a little late than 4:30 a.m., I always aim to study as soon as I wake up. So by the time I finish my first lecture, I don't know why, but I tend to get a bit sleepy. So if the weather is good, I go for a walk. I make something hot to drink, basically something which I will take time to finish sip by sip. Or if it's not manageable, I sleep for 1 hour. But if you sleep, make sure to fight with yourself and wake up again. Today I'm having coffee with my second lecture for the day. So while watching law, I try to learn in the class itself with revision lectures with Ankita ma'am. I usually take this the second time because there isn't much to write, because it's her book is self-explanatory. Finally, it's breakfast time, so I have my breakfast while watching Netflix. And then I have bath and get ready, and for all this I take around 1 hour. So happiness is always there in little things, and I love to light this candle which I ordered from Miniso store at Amazon, and I just love it. So here comes the third lecture of costing for the day. You can see I am using flags and other things. So if you want me to make a video on how I make notes, do comment down. Even though I have a very minimalistic approach for making notes, but still it might help you out. Hello. So अभी तक I've completed, it's 2 o'clock right now. I've completed with 6 hours of my study. So अभी I had to have lunch, like मुझे lunch खाना लेना था, but मन नहीं कर रहा था कुक करने का, और ऐसी भूख भी नहीं लग रही थी. So I just took an apple and I'm having it, and अब मैं सोऊंगी for a while, hopefully for 1 hour. उठ के भूख लगी तो I'll have lunch, otherwise I'll start with my studies again. And I hope you're liking this 12-hour routine. If you watched till now, then watch till the end. Bye. So I woke up at 3:30, and so I decided to watch a law lecture.
So this is going to be all for today. If you have any doubts, please ask me.
So it's that time of the day when I go and sit with Mama. Look how happy she is to come in the video. So then I cook dinner and made some tea. So मैंने चेंज कर लिया है for this, उसका बटन टूट गया था तो हाँ, and I have had my dinner. हाँ, मैं बहुत जल्दी डिनर कर लेती हूँ, like around 5:36 इस ड्यूरेशन के बीच में I have my dinner. So now I'm ready for पता नहीं कौन सा स्टडी सेशन. I have not kept a count, but थोड़ी थोड़ी थकान हो रही है, but still 5 more hours to go. Let's do it. So by this time I started talking with myself and motivating myself that yes, you can do this, just the revision part is left. finally completed. I completed my 12 productive hours in a day, and it felt so good. Trust me, you have to have this feeling, you have to experience this feeling. So yeah, this was my entire day. So if you like this video, please do leave a comment, because shooting while studying was kind of a task. And yeah, so if you like this, do leave a comment. And all the best, guys. I hope you try it out. And if you do 12-hour productive routine, do comment down. So yeah, bye bye.